So it's weekend, but we're ready to hunt for Monday, where we have 5 stack. We're gonna load up with insiders, precise strategy how the market maker do load up and the exact price level where we gonna see a big jump for the price. First off, we're gonna start our video with Gamestop. Gamestop is loading up right now. Around Friday we close above the technical level, which was the resistance. Right now we turn it to support around the 219. Look at this level, how beautiful it is. We close above it for our candle right now. Around Monday, what we should expect that the price will respect it and hold by Monday above the 219 and no closing candle, because you see we have the price doing higher lows, higher lows, higher lows here, and boom, we have our trigger of the candle and confirmation of the price strength above the 219. If we hold above this level for Monday, we expect the price surge again, and we have to test the 285 before the 339, where we're gonna see a massive squeeze for GameStop. This is the GameStop or the game plan for GameStop for the next week. And the next one we have ATER, and for ATER we have kind of a thing going on, which is this is it for ATER. You know why? We should turn it to our bottom, because if we don't, we're gonna see a massive sell-off for ATR. However, if we hold above the $5.30 to be exact, $5.34 to be exact, will surge the price again to test around the $6.60, and the $6.60 will be a confirmation for reversal until we're gonna see the $9 for this month. This is it for ATR, because right now we see a buying pressure happening, an interest for the insiders, or buying pressure, a new investor coming in, because the price is discounted. If you want to ask me, the price was before around the beginning, like in September, around like the 18, the price then went down. You see, we've been in downtrending since September. Right now we want to break this downtrend when we close above here around the 9, or even around the $6 or the $6.80 or the $6.60 around this resistance. If we close, we're gonna confirm that we break this downtrend and ATR ready to reverse. And the next one, quantum space. Come on guys, we talked about it precisely as we said in Patreon. If you want, you can join us and hunt with us before the market open and request a stock to be reviewed, because we have a lot of questions from you, a lot of stocks. We can cover them all on YouTube, so that's why we make a big tribe on Patreon. We almost 100, so join us with the link in comment section below, and you could have the privilege to be to have your stocks analyzed, to know where you take a profit, where you cut your losses, and where you average down, exactly how the insider do it. So here for quantum space, we said we're gonna load up around the 32-34 precisely. That we did around Thursday, I think, yeah, and then 18th of November. And Friday we see a buying pressure happening again. So this is we expect for Monday. A quantum space will have a test around the 40.53. If we hold the 32.34, should be the bottom for quantum space, in order to confirm that we're gonna see the 51 pretty soon for quantum space. The next one we have Riot. And Riot went down after the 40. As I said, you see, you always have protection for your profit, which is, we said, the 40 should be holding. The support should be holding after we broke the resistance, which is the 40. You see, we even gapped, we didn't hold. This is confirmed that here there's no buyer, there is no seller, because this is technical area. The moment that we go below it, we're gonna see a surge price go down. That's why here you should get out. Then where you load up near the technical area around the 30, as we said, really important level. That's why we bought back. So right now for Riot to confirm that we're gonna see the 52 is holding above the 33 for the next week, testing for the 40, closing above the 40 in order to go to 52 and explode from the 52. Lastly, we have Apple. Apple went to all-time high because we have a good news about the earnings, and the numbers was even better than the analysts what they suggesting, and the revenue and the earning was over expecting, and it was really good. That's why the price surged and go above the 157, which was the resistance. Right now is the support. So by Monday, if we want to hold this support right now above the 157 and confirming that the price will go up again, this will be perfect. But however, if you want to load up again around the Apple, just be ready if we don't hold this level, because the price will go eventually to test here around the $1.44 and go up again. This will be plausible play game or game plan for Apple if we don't have a hold up for this level. So we have two strategy, which is loading up here above this support, and the price will go up. However, if we go back below it, we can actually average down around the 144. Will be ready to hunt. Not to average down here around the 154, 152. No, you have to wait. Here will be that's why I always say here on my channel, let the price come to you, never run after the price. That's how we hunt, that's how we make money, guys. So important to have a strategy, take on profit, average it down, know which stock is for the long hold before you get in, because usually my hunters or a lot of the new traders get caught up, they buy and they hold and have the paralyzes for taking profit, because the profit will the price will go until the 50, 70, 100% and they don't take profit. But when the price go and they lose all the profit, however, even they get in the loss almost 30%, 40%, then they went to get out. So why didn't it take your profit around the 100%? The answer is simple, because you didn't have a goal or a strategy to take a profit in the first place. That's why it's standing still when the price go up, and you wishing the price to go 1000%, 2000%. Even if we go to 1000%, you will never take a profit, because it will be really hard for you to see the price go up when you take the profit. This is kind of, you have to admit and stick to your strategy 100%, 40%, and never take 50%, 100% target, but take the target under resistance where the market suggesting where you take the profit. Not like you say, okay, for the stock I will take 100%. The stock market don't care about what you want, at which target you want the profit will go, but instead see where the market suggesting to take a profit. See the market where it's suggesting to take your loss and get out. This is how you make money, and this is how to cut your losses pretty early. If you want to know exactly how to do that, join us in Patreon or on Discord as well, in the comment section below, where we discuss this in depth, and you could hunt by yourself and you be more profitable in the long run. So without further ado, see you on the next update.